You guys are very powerful CEOs, I get it. Very important people. And you don't like millennials so far, we get it. I had an employee engagement software company. I worked with CEOs, worked with HR leaders, worked with organizational psychologists. I learned a lot about what were some of the biggest challenges some of these big international companies are facing. And we are human. I want to help kind of build culture from the ground up, and I want to do it using my formula. Millennials, right? We're looking for perks, autonomy, and purpose. If you told your grandparents that this is what a workplace is supposed to offer, they're like, get the hell out of here. You guys are not in a vacuum, right? Your company is actually competing with Adobe, with Facebook, they're setting the trend. Today, it's about acknowledging the reality where we are. And that is that millennials require us to connect with them. And specifically around emotional intelligence. This workshop doesn't work if you're gonna sit there with your arms crossed and be like, well, he doesn't know anything. What does he know about running a bank? What does he know about running a PR firm? Maybe, I don't. You're absolutely right. But what I do know is that people are still people, right? You all still get up in the morning, put on the same set of pants just like we all do. Emotional intelligence are the tools that you use on a daily basis to connect with your employees, to communicate with your employees, and to work on yourself as well. So what you're pointing out are actual real frustrations like a lot of business leaders have. You have to really meet them on their ground, meet them emotionally, and I know that's a little bit, but once you do that, then you can convince them of your logic. You can actually get them to understand if you understand them. We're as good as our options allow us to be, right? It's human nature. You're always going to want better. Like, you wouldn't have this workshop 10 years ago. The reality is that we are coming, and this is kind of what we expect. If you really want to change behavior, you have to get it on the ground floor, learn from it, and apply what you think fits for you. We're going to do a quick breathing, mindfulness, and meditation.